This is the entire check-in system for a walking queue. One QR code and a plain Google Sheet. No app, no developer, no apps script. Setup takes 2 minutes. Paste your form's link into one cell, and the sheet builds this QR code for you automatically. The customer scans the code, fills in this one-question form, and taps Submit, and they're already in the queue, with a position and an estimated wait. Staff tick one box to start serving. It's time-stamped, and everyone else's wait recalculates. Notice the lock icons on these tabs. The formulas are protected, so a checkbox is the only thing anyone can touch. Put this tab on a screen in the waiting area, full screen, live names, live status, updating the moment a box is checked. By closing time, the owner already has serve counts, wait averages, and a chart, all from formulas. Make your own copy today.